Moikka! It's summer and all kind of summer things are so nice. So today I am going to make some fabric flower clips for a journal. Let's start off by looking at some things that we need. We need glue, something to draw with, paper clip, and then some cardstock. This is just from a food package. Doesn't need to be anything fancy. And then some fabric. And I chose a pink fabric today. And then we need a pair of scissors. Okay, let's start. Let's start with gluing the cardstock to the flower. And then just put it onto the fabric and then press on. Yes, and then let's use some scissors. There. And then let's draw the flower any shape that you like. It could be a whimsical flower or whatever you want. I am making 5 pebbles, like so. And then just cut the flower. It's a bit wonky, but it doesn't matter. The center of the flower, you can do this with a button, like over here, or you can use fabric also. And I saved, when I made these flowers, I saved these leftover pieces because you can use it for the center. Maybe I will use a button for this one. But if you want to do this kind of fabric center, you can always take a leftover piece and just draw a circle and cut it and then glue it onto the flower center. So these leftover pieces are very useful, so don't throw them away. Let's continue, and now we get to the behind part. And here is the previously made flower. As you can see, I just cut a piece of cardstock and then I glued it onto the back with a clip. I will show you how I did that. So you might want to cut the piece so that it doesn't show when you turn the flower around. Something like this. And you might want to glue it to the edge, so when you pop the flower into the journal page, it doesn't stick out so much. But I like it when they stick out a bit. Yes, and then you just glue the sides like so and leave one side open. Do not glue it because you have to put the paper clip into it, like there. Dries a bit, and then you can pop the paper clip. Like so. And now I will check the center that I want to use. Maybe this color isn't my liking for this one. I think that's cute. That is cute. Yes, we will use that one. And then just some glue. Glue to the fabric and pop the center into it. Onto it, or how do you say? My English grammar isn't so good, I do apologize. I'm from Finland, so I'm doing my best. And then let it dry, like so. And then you can always do some embroidery, like here, if you like. So it's a bit more decorative, the flower. I like it both ways, with and without embroidery. But once it's dried, now we can try how these look, how you could use it when it's dry. Let's pop this here. I think the colors match, like so. I think this looks nice. Brings out that summer vibe. Let's put this in here. And just pop it onto the page. Isn't that cute? One more. Let's put this here. These are like little bookmarks or just some decorations, embellishments for your journal. One more. This goes here nicely. Like so. Okay. I think I want to make more of these. This was really nice. And I love to do these. Okay, but thank you for watching, and until next time. Bye.